Now final set of formula in formula part 5 of chapter 4 moving charges and magnetism. Formula of magnetic field due to current carrying arc. This we discussed in our last video. So now after having all the formulas, we need to learn the rules to determine the direction of magnetic field. So how to determine the direction of magnetic field? You may find many formulas or many ways in your textbook now, but these are some shortcuts. Now in case of current carrying wire, here from the diagram you can see these are two wires, this one upward direction y-axis and one x-axis. Now for current carrying horizontal wire, if both of them are positive y and positive x-axis, so magnetic field at A and B, here you can see from the diagram also it is cross, means it is perpendicular to paper pointing upwards, and at C and D, here as you can see it will pointing downwards. So magnetic field at C perpendicular to the plane of paper pointing downwards. So now if we are talking about the current flowing in negative y and negative x axis, so here it will be completely opposite to the first case. So from this, here we can write that at point A and B, magnetic field pointing downwards, going inside the plane of paper, while for point C and D, it is pointing upwards, moving or coming out from the plane of paper. So to solve this, I have used open palm rule of right hand. Now next, to determine magnetic field for current carrying loop. If we are talking about current carrying loop, if current pass in clockwise direction, here you can see in diagram, magnetic field will be downward direction. It will be always downward. Here I have used this screw rule. If current will pass through anti-clockwise direction, magnetic field will be in upward direction of the plane of paper. So these are few rules through which you can easily understand the direction of a magnetic field.